So today I'm going to show you how to put on a bracelet if it has a lobster clasp like this one. They can be a little bit tricky if you're on your own and you don't have somebody with you who can put it on for you. If you have a toggle clasp like this one, then you should be okay, there should be no problems. But these lobster clasps can be a little bit tricky. So here goes. What you need is a paper clip like this one, and that's it. So you have your bracelet and you have your paper clip. You take your paper clip and you simply pull out the one prong to make an L shape or a hook. Put that aside. Open up the bracelet with the lobster clasp. Place it over your wrist as you'd like to sit. Take your hook, place it through the jump ring, and then hold it. It can be a bit tricky, but you'll get there in the end. Now you're holding the paper clip with your fingers. Now you need to open up your lobster clasp. Again, it can be quite tricky and sometimes they can be quite stiff. And then you need to just try and hook it over your jump ring. There you go, all done. And there you have your bracelet.